Yep. So what's going on now, gang? I'm back in another video. Today we're installing the remote start on the truck. I really want to appreciate y'all for the new subscribers, all the new subscribers. Welcome to the game. We're almost at 300 subscribers. At 500, I am doing another giveaway. I did a giveaway at 200 subscribers, so I'm doing another giveaway at 500 subscribers. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you're browsing, hit the notification bell, and let's turn up all 22. We finna show up with the truck, man. I never had a truck, so I'm finna cub y'all. But I'm gonna head out y'all to get to my humble house and get this video started.
Why'd your truck gotta be so hard?
Never been tampered with. I wonder if fucking push start so bad in here, but the price is so crazy.
The push start? Yeah. It's too much damn work, I've heard.
This one kit is $1,400. That's with the door handles and everything. The other kit, like the simple kit, is $800.
My phone just went over. Was that yours?
And then this guy at the junkyard want $500 for the whole kit. I was like, fuck this.
No shit. Why the hell so much?
That's what I'm saying. It's just a button, the module, and the fucking wire harness.
If it makes you feel any better, this dude's trying to sell driver's side door for $500. Same color as mine and everything. See it. What model he's fucking pointing at? I don't see anything. There's literally nothing here. Literally. I don't see nothing.
Let me see it.
I'm thinking of that he took a picture, that he sent me the picture of. When you're looking at it, the one to the left, gray harness next to the red. Oh, that one's completely fucking different, I think. The blue one's down there. Let me see. Blue, gray, gray. There'd be two instead of one. Yeah, it's this one. If I can get my fucking fingers on it. I wish I had a better flashlight. Kids don't do drugs. Just remember that. Let's see. Got it. Okay. That should be the one that I was looking for. Okay. Now, when looking at pin number 11, it's a lot harder than it needed to be. I probably could have did this by taking the dash off. Probably. But I don't know which one I'm looking at. extend. Oh, geez. Ooh, that hurt. Just saying, that is very uncomfortable. That's why you ain't doing it.
I don't know how to do it.
There ain't much to it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna need you to do, just pull this. I'm gonna shove it up in that hole with where your sub wires at for your amp. Just grab it on up. Let me know when you're ready.
Going from the top or the side? Top got a little bit of room. Close to 3 now.
I seen that you're like at 250 something, I think it was.
260.
Man's on a roll. Get my fingers up in here. Be very helpful.
262 now.
Ooh. That's the big baller over here.
Better hit that 1,000.
Shoot. So now that I got all that, I'm gonna hit all this. But yeah, that program that I got, you need to get it. It's sweet. Like you can basically take this truck and you can turn it into like a fully loaded one.
That's my plan.
I mean, granted, like the seats and stuff, you have to do a little bit of wiring, but once you do it, it's all about setting it up after that.
Yeah, I'm doing the seats. I'm changing the mirror. Fucking cage clusters. It's gonna be a different year model now.
I wish they came up with like a 5th gen style. Yeah. I'd be sold on that.
That 5th gen screen.
My boss got it, but he's also got the TRX. And his truck's making like 800-900 to the wheels right now. He just got it programmed and all that good stuff. So this part here, we'll ground it off here. Yeah, I need a new ratchet. No, like I've had this one for, I can't remember how long. I had it for too long. I had it for like 6 years already. 6 or 7 or something like that. Just it has some weight on it.
Yeah.
Basically gonna be essentially, because all it is, it's a hood safety switch. So as soon as you open up your hood, it shuts off. Not like you're gonna have remote start while trying to have the hood open. But that's what that's for. That's the whole purpose of it. This guy, man, he's smart with this.
You got the wires.
Yeah, I mean, I got what I need. Not this part. I don't need that. And you know you do a good job of doing this. Just do that. Break it off. You agree with that? I agree with it. It's a beautiful day today.
It's getting hot now. That makes sense.
I gotta redo the vinyl wrap on my truck. It's already peeling. I'm not too happy about it. But I got my money's worth out of it. So. Time to do a different style Grim Reaper.
My grandparents on that.
Dude, did you see the what was it? The Houston rodeo thing last night? Dude, they had like Bun B out there, Slim Dog.
Oh, I heard about it. Yeah, I heard about it.
Dude, they brought out the slabs and stuff. It was legit. I'll say that. It looked good. Too much. Probably did just a little too much. There we go. I want to make sure that it's on. I'll go ahead and put everything back up, you know what I mean? That's what that's for.
Supposed to hold it on there, I guess, when it releases this one.
Need your key. Got my phone by accident. is it 2017?
Yeah.
Good, I ain't need to. Okay, so.
Try to cut these off.
Yeah, shut all that off. Connected. We're in 1500. Body computer. Body computer. Increase to 2017. Connect. And go here. Select procedure to start. Select option 1. Vehicle configure 1.
Yep. Oh yeah.
She done, my boy. She done.
Yeah. Love it.
6 hours later.
Alright, now again, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. There are a couple scenes that I didn't get to film because my camera died. Once you finish programming it, you have to drive the truck for. You have to drive it over 20 miles per hour because once the keys reprogrammed, it's gonna be in delivery mode. So you have to drive it over 20 miles per hour, and we didn't get to show what the keys look like when you switch it out. So that's the old one. That's what the new one look like. So, hope you enjoyed that video. I hope this helped you out. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description for everything that you need. And it's your boy D, check out the video. Catch you on the next one.